that you're seeing right now, itong candle po na to, yung candle natin yesterday, tawag po dyan is needle top. Needle top usually is a reversal pattern. Kung makikita ninyo, ano yung nangyari, ano yung storya nitong kandila na to. Yung mga bulls, sobrang aggressive, bam, 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 tinulak pataas. And then, at some point, nandoon nakaharang yung mga bears, tinulak, 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 wala nang balay mga bulls. Binalik po niya. Kaya mas mahaba yung shadow or yung wick dun sa body and makikita mo, usling-usli yan. All-time high pa yan eh. Kaya sinasabi natin, dito talaga ba magre-reverse na ba? Bear market na ba tayo? Hindi po ganon. You have to understand na ito pong technical analysis and even in this game is a game of probability, not certainty. What this chart is telling us, there's a likelihood that we're going to see a possible correction sa market. Yun yung sinasabi sa atin ng chart. Ngayon, ang tanong, sure ba na magko-correction? Of course, walang 100% sure. Pero yung likelihood na magko-correct, yes, nandoon po. Ngayon, the question is, nasaan ang possible correction? Okay, so dito sa chart na to, nasaan po yung previous resistance? Nasaan yung tuktok dati? Ito yan, 111. Daily chart po ito. So itong area na yan, this is your possible support area. So resistance, alam na natin na ito, yung previous high. So this is your resistance, this is your R. So ito yung support, yung S. Dati po siyang resistance. Bam, nauntog, 110, 111. That's an area, not an exact price. So ito natin, bam, nauntog, 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 finally binasag. So this will be a strong support. The 110,000 area would possibly be a strong support. So meron ka ng S, meron ka ng R. Okay, ngayon T. Guhit ka, trend line. Para makita mo lang actually yung direksyon. Okay, guhitan natin. Connect mo lang yung dalawa. Kahit dalawang low, pwede na yan. So, trend line is telling you na ano siya, uptrend. Confluence ngayon ang hinahanap mo. Yung confluence, yan yung area na hinahanap mo na kung saan posibleng strong area kasi meron siyang confluence. For example, so you're looking for support. Hahanapin natin kung may confluence ba itong support na to. Intersection. Alin po yung intersection dito? Ito. Intersection ng red, yung support mo and your trend line. This is a good confluence. 110,400, 110,500. So may dalawa ka na factor dyan. May dalawang support ka na dyan. Ngayon, gusto mo bang dagdagan? Pwede natin kunin ngayon yung Fibonacci retracement area. Okay? Yung Fibonacci po, ginagawa yan, magagamit mo lang yan kapag meron kang impulse move. Okay? Pag meron kang biglaan na boom, hahanapin mo kung saan nagsimula yung impulse move na yan. So ito pwede natin kunin to na swing low to swing high. So itong move na to kukunin natin. Itong recent run niya na yan. Swing low to swing high. So titignan natin kung may tatama. Ayun. Nasaan ang confluence? 0.5. Ang area na yan, sa 0.5 na yan, could probably be a strong support.